Hello everyone, welcome to Engg Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about what should be your preparation strategy for RRB JEE CBT-2 and what is the exam pattern of RRB JEE CBT-2, right? And this question is a very sought after question amongst the students who are preparing for RRB JEE, and they think that they can clear RRB JEE CBT-1 after this examination which has been held. And they are aiming towards RRB JEE CBT-2 now. And for the students also who are preparing for SSC JEE, and they must have been also appeared for RRB JEE, what shall be your preparation strategy if you are preparing both of these examinations on the side parallelly? Now, before that, I just want to tell you this, that we are launching our new online batch, online live classes, as well as our classroom coaching is starting in Hyderabad, and online live classes are starting also on our application, that is ACE Online, on 25th of January for both RRB JEE and SSC JEE. We are starting our batches offline and online both, and there are offers for discounts and everything on our course fees as well. And for ACE old students, 30% discount is there. After that, if you are a student who is willing to go for recorded sessions and they want to learn at their own pace, then you can take our online classes also in a recorded format in our application, that is ACE Online. So you can go and download our application, and you can take a 7 days of free trial also on our courses, and you can enroll for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and ACE20 is the code for CBT-1 and CBT-2 both, if you want to prepare in that way. Right now, moving forward, what is the exam pattern of RRB JEE CBT-2? That is the point of discussion in today's session over here. General awareness, there will be number of questions will be 15, and each and every question will be of 1 mark. That is the primary thing, that each and every question will be carrying 1 mark over here. Physics and chemistry questions will be asked. Number of questions will be 15, and number of marks will be 15 again. Basics of computer application, number of questions are 10, marks again 10. Basics of environment and pollution, questions 10, and marks will be 10. Technical abilities, that means your civil engineering and various other streams, 100 questions, 100 marks. Right, a total of this is 50 and 100, so 150 marks examination will be held, and you can see 120 minutes, 2 hours, 150 marks, and 150 questions will be there. So our aim should be attempt as many questions as possible, because whenever the competition is good, see, in this examination, not only BTech students are there, diploma students are also there. So diploma plus BTech, it's a quite good number of strength in the number of students who are appearing for such exams. Do not compare with the strength of GATE examination. In GATE exam, civil engineering, the number of strength has reduced in the last 2-3 years, even if you compare from pre-COVID to current times. So do not compare the number of students who can or who will be eligible for this particular examination. Moreover, yes, CBT-2 examination will be, students who have qualified CBT-1 will be giving CBT-2. But the point is still, number of students who will be qualifying will be large, and also keep it in mind, it is dependent upon the vacancies, number of vacancies also. And moreover, every student more or less is not only preparing for RRB JEE, they must be preparing for their state junior engineer examinations as well. Their practice is very good in their technical subjects especially. And if you are a student who is preparing for SSC JEE also, they also must be preparing for non-technical subjects as well as their technical subjects. So see, syllabus parallelly, it is almost same. And do not have a viewpoint that only the qualified students will be giving this exam and I can leave somewhat, 2 or 3 subjects I can leave. No, you cannot do it. You cannot do that. You cannot leave your subjects. Try to cover as many subjects as possible. As many subjects as possible. In such examination, our aim should be covering the entire syllabus. Obviously, I cannot cover the 100% syllabus, I know. But our aim should be that. Our aim should be at least 95% plus. If I want to secure a good position or a good rank. Now, after that, discussing the syllabus in detail, general science syllabus for CBT-2, physics, chemistry, basics, up until class 10th and 12th, they will be asking physics and chemistry syllabus. After that, general awareness syllabus, knowledge of current affairs, Indian geography, culture and history of India, including the freedom struggle, Indian polity, constitution, Indian economy, environmental issues concerning India. This particular topic will be covered here as well. Environmental issues concerning India and the world, sports, general scientific and technological developments. This is your general awareness syllabus. After that, computer application syllabus, you can see computers and their architecture, basics, input, output devices, MS Office, storage devices, operating systems, internet and email, websites and web browsers, networking, computer viruses. After that, environmental science syllabus, basics of environment, the adverse effect of environmental pollution, pollution control strategies, types of pollution, waste management, global warming, acid rain, ozone depletion. Most of these topics are also covered in environmental engineering subject, which we study part of our civil engineering syllabus also. This aspect is not that much of a problem for us, right? This is not a problem for us. And moreover, basic computer questions are asked in this topic. So again, you don't have to be an expert in computer engineering to solve questions which are asked. This is your day-to-day topics. And nowadays, everyone is equipped with computers and mobile phones, and they are kind of equipped with these topics as well. They have the basic knowledge. Obviously, you have to study a bit, but this can be understood. So this is not much of an issue. The students think that this is of an issue. No, it is not. After that, yes, general awareness, you need to be on your tips with respect to current affairs and the other topics which will be covered. Yes, slowly and steadily we will be releasing our videos also on our channel, in which we will be separately going forward towards current affairs. You can go and subscribe to our AS Online SSC JEE RRB JEE YouTube channel and go and look over there current affairs topics as well. We continuously keep on releasing that on our channels, and also the videos corresponding to how to prepare for non-technical topics as well. We will be releasing in future as well. What shall be your preparation strategy for non-technical part of your syllabus? After this, moving towards the technical syllabus and comparing it with the syllabus of SSC JEE as well. Approximately, 90 to 95% of your syllabus is same. Technical syllabus is same for SSC JEE and RRB JEE. So if I am a civil engineering student who is preparing for both, I am not falling short of anything. If there are some 1 or 2 topics add-ons, then no issue. See, general awareness you will be covering in SSC JEE prelims examination as well, right? Also, physics and chemistry is also covered in SSC JEE also, right? So most of your part is covered in SSC JEE as well, not the computer application part. But environmental science part, basics are covered. General awareness aspect, you will be covering that. General studies also, you will be covering that over there. So syllabus is almost same for SSC JEE as well. So if I am a student who is preparing for both, I'm not falling short of anything. There can be 1 or 2 things which are add-ons, but I can focus parallelly on both. There is no point in discussing that, sir, I am only preparing for RRB JEE. Now you are saying that SSC JEE is also there. Yes, parallelly you can study. If you are a student who is only willing for going for RRB JEE or SSC JEE, that's up to you. It's up to you. That's why we have made separate batches for the students who want to prepare for SSC JEE and RRB JEE. So we have to cover as many students as possible. That's why we have launched 2 batches. Now, geotechnical engineering, you can see, this is your syllabus. In the previous videos also, I have covered a couple of topics, right? UPPSC AE examination, which is being conducted, and detailed syllabus of that also has been released. Approximately same syllabus is here as well. Now, syllabus, when you will see and you will try to compare for GATE, engineering services, or AE, state AE examinations and JEE examinations, the syllabus is approximately same. The difference is in the level of the questions which are asked. The level of questions which are asked in state AE JEE examinations, it is pretty lower as compared to GATE and engineering services. The language of the questions which is framed in these examinations is also different. One of the best ways to get equipped with respect to the language of the questions, it is to solve previous year questions, right? So it is important to know the syllabus. Obviously, shear strength of soils will remain shear strength of soils either you are preparing for JEE or AE. The topic remains the same, the concept remains the same, but the change is in the level of the questions and the pattern of the examination, right? Now, you can see almost each and every topic, from origins of soil to index properties, permeability, shear strength, soil compaction, and even the foundation part has been covered in this consolidation also. Earth pressure theories and soil stabilization, every aspect is covered over here. So we have to be well equipped with this. Now, after that, hydraulics, you can see hydraulics covers fluid mechanics. It covers open channel flow. So you can see fluid properties and hydrostatics, measurement of flow, Bernoulli's theorem, flow through pipes, flow in open channels, weirs, flumes, spillways, pumps and turbines. Irrigation also, you can see the syllabus, it is same. I had released a video, for SSC JEE preparation strategy. All the faculties and our team was combined in that, and you can also see that syllabus is approximately same for all. So this is your syllabus. Syllabus was also covered in that video as well. Definitions, necessity, benefits, types. This is your irrigation and hydrology aspect, and this is your irrigation and hydrology over here, and canals and design of canals for irrigation engineering over here. After that, some other parts of irrigation engineering, Lacey's theory, Kennedy's theory, silting and scoring. You can see some of the topics over here. After that, transportation engineering. The syllabus is approximately same for SSC JEE and RRB JEE. So highway, all the parts, geometric design, aggregates, materials, highway materials, the testing on the materials, how to create a mix for the pavement surface, and WBM roads, wet mix macadam roads, gravel roads, bituminous construction, rigid pavement joints, pavement maintenance, highway drainage, etc. Right? Railway engineering is also there. Airport engineering part is also to be covered, right? Railway engineering part, traffic engineering part over here you can see, right? Now, RRB JEE specific. This is not in the SSC JEE syllabus. What is RRB JEE specific? In RRB JEE part, there is bridge engineering. This is not in SSC JEE syllabus. So this is specific to RRB JEE. After that, you can see investigation, component parts of bridge, permanent and temporary bridges, inspection and maintenance. After that, tunnel engineering is also there. Classification, shapes, sizes, tunnel investigation and surveying methods, methods of tunneling in various strata, precautions, equipment, explosive, lining and ventilation. Now, this doesn't mean that it is these two topics are not part of some state examinations. It is a part of some state examinations as well, like MPSC, Maharashtra Public Service Commission. It is a part of that technical syllabus. And some other Karnataka Public Service Commission also, in some of the state JEE examinations, they will be considering tunnel engineering as well in that, and bridge engineering also. It is covered over there in the junior engineer examinations of state as well. So if I am studying these two, I am not again ignoring the state level exams. It is there in some state examinations also. After that, environmental engineering, you can see quality of water, sources of water supply, purification of water, distribution of water, need of sanitation, sewerage systems, circular sewers, oval sewers, sewer appendices, sewage treatments, surface water drainage, solid waste management, air pollution, noise pollution, everything is to be covered, right? After that, surveying, you can see these are the parts of surveying, and RRB JEE specific also I have mentioned, which is not in SSC JEE syllabus. So here surveying, this is your common topics, these are your common topics, types of surveying, principles of surveying, compass surveying, traversing, bearings, local attractions. So this is all to be covered in compass surveying. Plane table surveying is also there. Theodolite surveying. After that, adjustment of theodolite, leveling, definition of terms used in leveling, contouring, curvature and diffraction corrections. After that, temporary and permanent adjustments, uses of contour map, tachyometric surveying, curve setting, earthwork calculation. After that, advanced surveying equipments which are there. And aerial survey and remote sensing. This is part of GATE exam. Right? Remote sensing is part of GATE exam, not the aerial survey. But it was previously the part of GATE examination. It was removed. So, point is, you can study these two topics as well. Yes, we'll be covering them separately for the students who are preparing for RRB JEE specific. You can see for theory of structure, most of your syllabus is same. Again, for RRB JEE and SSC JEE, theory of structures and strength of materials, so it is combined. Structure analysis is named as theory of structure in most of your syllabus. Right? Just now only in the previous video, we talked about UPPSC AE examination in that as well. The syllabus for theory of structure, it is same, right? You can see elasticity constants are to be covered. This is your mechanics of materials as well. Mechanics also, which is there. Engineering mechanics, moment of area, moment of inertia of various sections, bending moment, shear stresses of compound sections, T channel sections, and also the bending moment diagrams, shear force diagrams, chimneys, dams, retaining walls, eccentric loads, slope deflection of simply supported beams, cantilever beams, critical load for columns, torsion of circular sections. Right? These are topics to be covered. Concrete technology is one of the most important topics to be covered for both state AE JEE exams. Even for engineering services and GATE, concrete technology is one of the most important topics. Right? You will see good amount of questions, number of questions are very huge in this particular topic. Properties, advantages, uses of concrete, cement aggregates, the importance of water quality, water cement ratio, workability, mixed design, storage, batching, mixing, placement. So this entire, it is nothing but dealing with the fresh concrete, right? Dealing with fresh concreting. And hardened concrete state is also there, which which decides the quality control of concrete, hot weather, cold weather concreting, repair and maintenance of concrete structures. It covers every aspect, right? Cracking also it covers how to deal with cracks, how to identify cracks and everything. So this particular topic is very, very important. You will see good amount of questions in both RRB JEE and SSC JEE. Concrete technology. Right? They must have mentioned only cement, right? Cement is there. Individual topic, this cement is so huge topic. Individual aggregates, it is a huge topic. Everything needs to be covered, and we'll see good questions. Because understanding now, as per SSC and RRB, they are improving the level of questions, right? After that, RCC design is there. They have mentioned specifically working stress method and limit state method both. So we have to cover the concepts of both of them. And yes, primarily you would see questions being asked from IS codal provisions. So primarily our focus should be, yes, the design concepts, design philosophies, design method, but not the design questions. We don't have to do big design questions. We just have to focus on the importance of IS codal provisions and what is their application. That's it. And how to apply them in some basic numerical questions. Because now in SSC, JEE, RRB, they are asking numerical questions as well. Right? So we have to keep it in mind. After that, steel design is there. Steel design, there are various types of cross sections, grades of steel, strength characteristics, IS code, connections, design of members, tension, compression, beams, column bases, plate girders, and everything. So we have to discuss all of these topics, and both with respect to limit state method and working stress method. People tend to ignore working stress method. I think that is foolishness. You don't have to ignore that. Next is estimation, costing, and valuation. It is common for both SSC, JEE and RRB, JEE again. Estimation, technical terms, analysis of rates, methods, unit of measurement, items of work, earthwork, brickworks, RCC work, shuttering, timber work, painting, flooring, plastering, boundary wall, brick building, water tank, septic tank, all of these topics are to be covered. After that, cost estimate for various structural components, structural members, septic tank, pavements, tube wells, isolates, combined footings, steel truss, pile caps, valuation, salvage value, scrap value, value and cost, assessed value, sinking fund, depreciation, obsolescence, and methods of valuation. Other building materials, what are important? Timber is important, bricks is important, mortar is important, stone is important, right? Yeah, other materials you can ignore. Not many questions are asked, but again, bitumen is mainly covered in highway materials. You will cover that in detail in highway materials. After that, aluminium part, some of the aluminium part is also covered in steel. Galvanized iron and steel, both is covered in steel structures again. Yeah, glass you can ignore. I don't think so many questions are asked from this. Yeah, some basics we can discuss for these glass, PVC and PPF, but not important. After that, building construction and in this sub and superstructure, this is only for RRB, JEE. This is not mentioned in SSC, JEE syllabus. This is not in SSC, JEE syllabus, so we have to discuss it separately. Building components, substructure and superstructure, type of structures, job layouts, earthwork, foundation. After that, stone masonry, brick masonry, hollow concrete block masonry, composite masonry, cavity wall, doors and windows, vertical communication, stairs, lifts and escalators, scaffolding and shoring. Some will be covered in SSC, JEE, but not all. After that, building finishes, maintenance and drawing as well. Building finishes, cracks, this part, it is also covered in concrete technology, right? So how to repair such cracks in concrete structures also, it is there. So causes, types, repairs, gunneting, epoxy, settlement, causes and remedial measures, and rebarring techniques. This is covered in concrete technology as well, but cracks which are related to concrete, not the other aspects. Floors, finishes and process of laying, walls and roofs, it is covered, and conventions are there, planning of building, drawings and perspective drawing. Advanced construction techniques, this is also only for RRB, JEE. Prefabrication construction, soil reinforcing techniques. After that, hoisting, conveying, Now this is soil reinforcing techniques are also covered in soil improvement topic in geotechnical engineering. After that, conveying equipment, earth moving machinery, concrete mixers, stone crushers, pile driving equipment, working of hot mix bitumen plant, bitumen paver, and floor polishing machines. After that, over there also, fibers and plastics, artificial timber, advanced concreting methods, underwater concreting, ready mix concrete, tree mix concreting, and special concrete works and form work. Some of the parts are also covered in concrete technology, but here they have mentioned 2 times. Contracts and accounts, what are the various engineering contracts, tenders, tender documents, payment and specifications. So this is your entire RRB JEE syllabus which we have discussed. Now the point is how to prepare. That is the main key aspect. Students are watching this video for knowing, sir, how to prepare. Syllabus I got, exam pattern I know, fine. But how to prepare? See, it all starts with your one subject, right? Whenever the faculty will start teaching you, they will start with your one subject. Let's say, for example, strength of materials has started. So faculty will teach strength of materials and then they will tell you what are the important questions and they will help you practice some questions in the class itself. You'll go home and you'll revise. Now, when the strength of material will be over, another subject will be started. Now, next faculty will be coming. They will be giving you notes. They will be giving you some practice questions. But it's your job to mark what are the problematic areas for you. Each and every student has different problematic area and you have to judge it parallelly while your subjects are going on. Because when you will go home, you will revise your subjects. You will practice previous year questions as well. The most important aspect which goes on along with your preparation, these are not steps. All of these things go parallelly. There is no definite step. All of them are interlinked. You have to do all of them parallelly. You have to practice PYQs and mock test series questions as well. So PYQs not only of RRB JEE and SSC JEE, but of various state AE plus JEE exams. Go and solve all the previous year questions of both AE and JEE exams. Not only of SSC JEE or RRB JEE. You'll get a context of the level of the questions. It's approximately same, not that much different. And constant revision plus mock tests. Now, as my subjects are going on, I do not have to ignore my previous subjects which were covered by the previous faculties. Because when I'll reach my 4th or 5th subject, I will forget what was taught to me in the first subject. That is the primary thing you need to keep in mind. So do not ignore that. After that, parallelly, if there are doubts, clear your doubts. Ask the faculties how to reach out to you, and we have an ask an expert option on our application, on which you'll get a response by the expert within 24 or 48 hours. And moreover, almost all the faculties will be giving you their personal number as well. And you can reach out to them and ask the doubts directly, right? Reach out to them on their mobile numbers through WhatsApp. Or ask the concerned person over here at Engg Academy. You can just mail to us as well. I want to reach out to this so-and-so faculty. Please give me his number. They will provide you with the contact information corresponding to it. And clear your doubts. Do not hesitate in asking doubts. students tend to shy off, in asking doubts. Doubt clearing can be by the faculties. Also, when you are preparing with your friends, through your peer conversations as well, you are able to solve doubts as well. And you can speed up your preparation journey as well once you feel that competitiveness within your peers. So all of these steps go on parallelly. You do not have to ignore them, right? And plus, most important thing, when the examination is approaching, enroll in mock test series. Mock tests are the most important thing for preparing for any competitive exam. I say this in every video. Why? Because there is no rocket science in preparation journey. It's all hard work. And how are you managing your time? How are you managing your subjects? And how much quality time you are dedicating in your studies? That is the prime focus. And you will be able to beat 99% of the students out there once you keep this in mind, that I need to dedicate quality time. Number of hours I am dedicating should be high. I am not here to tell you that you can prepare for these exams in 2 or 3 hours of preparation every day. No, it cannot happen. Practically it is not possible to cover this entire syllabus. Practically it is being foolish that if you are dedicating 2 or 3 hours daily. So number of hours tend to increase it as you are going on with your preparation. You will start with 2-3 hours only, but slowly and steadily increase your number of hours. Right? So these are the steps through which, and processes, all of them are interlinked. You have to solve them or jumble up in between the steps. Nothing is one after the other. And after that, one more time, that we are starting our batches from 25th of January 2025 for RRB JEE as well as for SSC JEE as well. So you can enroll with us, civil engineering students, for the preparation journey. You can go to the ACE Online website and ACE Academy's website, and you can enroll on classroom coaching or online live classes, whatever you want. Also, you can go for our pre-recorded sessions as well. It's up to you, right? So thank you for watching this entire video, and do comment below if you have any doubts. I'll respond to all of your doubts personally. Thank you for watching.